For a car that's practical and fun, the new Kia Optima is the perfect choice. With better fuel economy, a premium stereo system, and sleek styling, the Kia Optima leaves nothing to be desired. For the Kia that's right for you. CarPros Kia has the selection of new and pre-owned Kia vehicles you've been looking for. Visit us online at www.carproskiacarson.com. While you're there, receive finance rates as low as 0%, 1.9%, or 2.9% upon approved credit. Get loans with little or no money down. Find out more about our no-haggle pricing and read more about CarPros Kia, the #1 top-selling Kia dealership in the U.S., to find out why we're the right dealership for you. CarPros Kia is located at 21243 South Avalon Boulevard in Carson, California.